Are you having trouble remembering a sequence of numbers or words? No problem. Enduri will show you how to use mnemonic phrases and memory aids to remember words and numbers. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Take a look at these two mnemonic phrases. Never eat soggy waffles. The first letters stand for the correct order of the cardinal directions. North, east, south, west. You need to buy pasta, apples, radishes, ice cream and sauce for dinner. Already forgotten? Use the mnemonic phrase Paris and you'll automatically remember all the items. 2. Create your own mnemonic phrase that helps you remember things.